Hello everyone, welcome back to Placement Prep. Today we will discuss about the conditional statement and the looping statement of Python. Before that, let me tell you how to comment many lines at a time. For example, when we are commenting a single line, we have to write hash symbol at the starting of the line. Then it will comment the single line. But if we want to comment many lines at a time, we will just select the thing, then CTRL and forward slash. This will comment the whole thing. And if we want to uncomment it, the same thing we will do. We will select it, then CTRL and forward slash. This will uncomment it. Now, starting with the conditional statement, that is the if-else condition. Python supports many logical operation of mathematics, that is equals to, this is the equal symbol, this is the not equal to symbol, this is less than equal to, this is greater than, and this is greater than equal to. Let's discuss about the logic of the conditional statement, that is if-else, with some example. For example, a equal to 20 and b equal to 10, and we want to find out the smaller between these two variables. So we will write if, then condition. If a is less than b, then colon symbol, then we will press enter. See, while pressing enter, the cursor is here. It is taking some space. It is not from the starting of the line, and this is the indentation. Like when in other languages, like other programming languages, after writing the if-else condition, we are writing the braces, curly braces. But here in Python, there is no braces. We have to give space, that is the indentation. So we will write print. What we will write? A is smaller. And if this condition fails, like a is not less than b, that is b is smaller. So we will directly write else, and here no need of writing the condition, because if this condition fails, automatically b will be smaller. Print b is smaller. See, here b is small. For example, here a equal to 10 and b is also 10. We want to check if a is greater than b, or a is less than b, or a is equal to b. At that time there are three conditions. So here we will use if, else if, and else. In Python, else if we are using like elif. We are writing elif instead of else if. So first we will write if a less than b, print a is smaller. Then elif a equal to b, print a and b are equal. Then the third else. Here no need of writing the condition, because if this condition fails and this condition fails, so automatically b will be smaller. So no need of mentioning this thing. We print b is smaller. See, here a and b are equal. Let's just change this. Here a is smaller, then b is smaller. I hope you are clear about the conditional statement, that is if-else condition. Before starting with the looping statement, let me show you, if I am not giving here indentation, how it is throwing error. See, it is throwing indentation error. So in Python, the like conditional statement, we are bound to give some space. See, so now starting with the looping statement. Looping is basically used when we want to print something for a specified number of times, or we can say that when there is a repetition. For example, when I want to print from 1 to 5. So when I am writing in the print statement, print 1, then print 2. Likewise, I have to write. These things are quite time consuming. So how to pass this thing in loop? So we can simply write for, then I in range. If I want to print up to 5, so I will write up to n plus 1, that is 6. Then I will write print I. This I is the variable. You can take anything. See, 0 to 5. You can also change this as n. See, we can do the same thing using the while loop condition. That is, but in while loop we have to initialize the variable. That is n equal to 0. Then we will write the condition while I, that is n less than n plus 1. That is, we have to write the range. That is 6 print n, then here we have to increase, like do the increment, that is n equal to n plus 1, or we can simply write n plus equal to 1. These two are the same thing. Let's just comment this. Yeah, when we are not doing incrementation, here this loop will be executed infinite number of times. But in the for loop, there is no need of incrementation, because here in the single statement we are specifying everything, that is for I, that is for n in range 6. So it will first take 0, then 1, then 2, then 3, up to 6. But in the while loop, we have to first initialize the variable, then write the condition, then we have to do the incrementation. Let's just try this without incrementation. See, here loop is getting executed infinite number of times. So how to stop this? We have to press this symbol, so it will get stopped. So in while loop, we have to specify the condition. See, now it has printed up to 5. So what is the basic difference between for loop and while loop? So for loop is basically used when we know what will be the number of iteration. For example, in the single line here, we know that the number of iteration will be up to 5. But while loop is basically used when we don't know like what will be the number of iteration. For example, when we are finding out the factorial of a number or something like that. Suppose I am writing while n greater than 0, print the condition. So till the time the condition satisfies, the while loop will get executed. So while loop is basically used when we don't know the number, like what will be the number of iteration. I hope it is clear. Now I will show you how we can use the break and continue statement in the while loop condition. For example, here we want to print like 0, 1, 2, and when there is 3, just break the loop. So it will get printed up to 0, 1, 2, 3. So how can we do that? First we will initialize the variable 0, then we'll write the condition while I suppose less than the range is 6. Then print I, then we will write the condition if I equal to 3, just break the loop. After this we have to do the incrementation, else the loop will get executed infinite number of times, because first I is 0, then it will print 0. Then when we are not using, then it will check this condition. 0 equal to 3, no, it will not go to this if condition. So when we are not incrementing, the loop will be executed infinite number of times. So we have to write this I plus equal to 1. See, 0, 1, 2, 3. When I equal to 3, it has broke the loop. Now, how can we use the continue statement in the while loop condition? For example, we want to print 1, 2, and when there is 3, just skip that part, that is continue, then print from 4, 5 and 6. How can we do that? Like how can we print 1, 2, 4, 5, 6? So first we will initialize the variable, then we will write the condition while I less than 6, then we will write I plus equal to 1, and we will write the condition if I equal to 3, then continue, after this print I. So first I is 0, so it will check 0 is less than 6, so true. It will first increment it, that is I plus equal to 1 means I equal to 1, then it will check I equal to that is 1 equal to 3, no, false, so it will not go to this if condition, it will directly print 1. So 1 will get printed. After this again it will go up, then check 1 less than 6, true, then it will get incremented 1 plus equal to 1, that is 2, then it will check 2 equal to 3, no, false, so it will not go to this while like if condition, and it will print 2. Likewise, then 2 will get checked like 2 less than 6, true, then 2 will get incremented, that is 3, then 3 equal to 3 means true, it will come into this if condition. So here it has written continue. Continue means it will again go backward, like it will not come forward and print 3. It will again continue means it will again go backward and check here, that is 3. 3 less than 6, that is true, then 3 will get incremented, that is I plus equal to 1, that is 4, then it will check 4 equal to 3, no, false, it will not come to this if condition, and it will print I, that is 4. Likewise, it will again print 5, and for 5 and when I equal to 5, it will check 5 less than 6, that is true, then I will get incremented, that is 5 plus equal to 1, that is 6, so 6 will also get printed. See 1 2 3 4 5 6. I hope you are clear about the break and continue, like how we can use the break and continue in the while loop. Now in the next video we will discuss about like some sample question of string. If you like this video, please do subscribe to Placement Prep. Thank you. Have a good day.